one you want to go on it.
Take that one through Scott a little.
That's much easier to shoot off your hand. That one's much more easy to shoot. It's shorter. More the weight, more the back. This is hitting barrel. You've got the fore end out the front. That's what it's wobble back. I've got a bad shoulder.
I'll hold the rest, I'll do you another one. I'll do you some more ball when I'm holding. Back in the office.